DIY firming.
Yeah.
DIY firming.
Hey beautiful babes, listen up, it's your girl. We talking natural firmness, let's give your skin a swirl. DIY magic, we keep it real at home. Lift, tone, hydrate, make your confidence roll. As we age, skin be sagging, that's a fact. Bustin' booty needs some love, let's bring it back. Elasticity dropping, but I got the cure. A blend of oil so natural, you'll feel so pure. Almond oil deep, moisturize your skin. Soft and supple, elasticity win. Apricot light, absorbs real quick. Smooth, rough texture, baby, that's the trick. Virgin olive oil, antioxidants in the mix. Softens, firms, protects, we got all the picks. Orangeo boosts, circulation on the rise. Brightens, tones, lifts, natural prize.
DIY firming oil, lift it up, let it flow. Massage it in circles, let your confidence grow. Twice a day, morning and night. Nature's own magic, keep your skin tight.
Geranium EO tightens collagen strong. Reduce that sag, baby, you can't go wrong. We langy, silky, moisturize and glow. Texture smooth, balance, watch your confidence show. Lemongrass, fresh tone and tighten too. Lymphatic flow, invigoration for you. Mix it all gentle in the dark glass jar. Seal it tight, store it right, we reaching for the stars. Massage 5 minutes circular, go slow twice a day. Let that natural firming show. Shelf life 3 to 4 months, keep it cool. Avoid heat and sunlight, that's the rule. Cosmetic only, keep it safe, don't forget. Check for allergies, don't place a bet. Pregnant or nursing, ask a pro. That's right, stop if irritation comes, keep your skin tight.
DIY firming oil, lift it up, let it flow. Massage it in circles, let your confidence grow. Twice a day, morning and night. Nature's own magic, keep your skin tight. You are firming, you are firming, you are firming, you are firming.
Cosmetic only, keep it safe, don't forget. Check for allergies, don't place a bet. Pregnant or nursing, ask a pro, that's right. Stop if irritation comes, keep your skin tight.
Tight.